Alright guys, I just had a heck of an incident. This giant tree fell over on top of me in the excavator. As you can see, it was an old rotted tree. I don't know how on God's green earth it did not crush me. I'd have moved all the stuff off from up here where you can at least see out of it, but let's take a bigger look, closer look at this. And I mean, it was up there. This thing is huge. It was towering up here. And I couldn't move fast enough. I wish I would have been videotaping that. Scared the crap out of me. See some of the debris. I got most of it off of my excavator, but when I tell you it came down on top of it, it came down on top of it. Thank God it didn't crush me. Or it didn't hurt the excavator. Thank God.